In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Google Authenticator on 1xBet. It will be simple to do well. By following these steps, you will now be understanding. You will first come to your menu. Before continuing the video, I will invite you to create a 1xBet professional account by coming and clicking here to registration. Now you will come and click right down here to buy email, which will be the full inscription. You will come right up to your promotional code BOTV, whereby entering this promotional code you will get 300% of bonuses at your first deposit, meaning that if you put an amount of $10, you will receive $30. Continue the video. Now you will come and click on your settings. By then, you will just now wait and come and click on your security settings. As you can see, when you have clicked on your security settings, you will see the option two-factor authentication. So by clicking on it now, what you are going to do is, if you are able your two-factor authentication and if it is valid, you will see that the Google Authenticator code will be given to you, or the key, so as to confirm it normally. But if you have not been given a key when you have been validated your authentication at two-factor, you will just come out here normally and you will come and go right up till your customer support, and you will click on it. By clicking on customer support, you will just need to chat with the operator. By chatting with the operator, telling them that you have misplaced or you are not seeing your key, so as for them to help you as to give you back the key or give you a new one, and then activate it again back to your authentication path.